Hi folks, welcome to PerformanceTesting Back to Basics session. In this video session, we are going to learn about master data and transactional data in SAP. SAP is nothing but a piece of software that helps the business. And business is nothing but a mere transaction involving sale of a product or sale of a service. SAP deals with two major types of data. That's the master data and the transactional data. Master data is nothing but the core data that is used as a base for any transaction. Transactional data is nothing but the data that can be changed, the data that can be created, edited, and valid for a limited time. Right? That's called the transactional data. Let's see this with an example. Let's say we are selling a product to a customer. In order to make this transaction, we need certain types of data. First, we need the customer information. His first name, last name, his address, all those information related to the customer we need. Then we are selling a product. So we need to know about the product information. Whether we have the inventory, we have that material in stock, or what is the manufacturing cost of the product, or what is the selling cost of the product. So all this information about the material we need to know, right? Then using this information, we are creating a sales transaction or a sales order. And in this example, we dealt with three types of data: customer data, material data, and a sale order transaction. So the base data, the customer data, and the material data, which was used for creating the sales order, is the master data. So the customer data and the material data are master data, and the sales order is nothing but the transactional data. So I'm going to repeat. Master data is the core data that is used as the base for any transaction. And transactional data is nothing but the data that can be changed. Using the master data, what we create is nothing but the transactional data. And these data can be changed, these data can be edited, or these data are valid only for a certain period. When we create a sales order, then once the product is delivered, and all this invoice, all this accounting informations are completed for the transaction, it's done. Then we go for creating the next sales transaction, right? So that's what it means by it's valid for a certain period of time. And another important difference is, like, for transactional data, we said it is going to change. So what about the master data? Is it going to change? No, that's not going to change quite often. Maybe when we make the business, we add more materials, right? So those kind of things keeps adding, but it's not going to change. That's called master data. And this transactional data, I think we are going to each of this detail in our coming videos. What is sales order? What is purchase order? All those things we are going to see in detail, and we are going to see how we create these transactions in SAP in our coming videos. So for now, understand master data is the core data that is used as a base for any transaction, and transaction data is what we create using the master data. In simple terms, master data provides the foundation for transactional data. And if you're someone who's working on SAP project, right? So you keep hearing these terms quite often. Master data, transactional data, all this, sales order, purchase order, customer, inventory, all those terms you keep hearing. So before getting into the project or after getting into the project, try to understand how the data is set up in that particular project. That will really help you becoming a master in SAP. Otherwise, you'll be doing stuff without understanding that steps in detail. Hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.